Hello, this is new project. We gonna make new battery for my son's ATV bike, electric version. This battery is gonna be 16S8P. There was 8 parallel and 16 series. These cells. This is the BMS. It's rated to 60 amps. This is the wire for that BMS. And these brackets made from this kind of blocks, like Lego blocks. Okay, so all these cells are removed from a portable vacuum cleaner. The connectors are cutted and then these are filed smooth. After that they all have tested in tester, and in tester shows this value is marked here, so it's 2219 milliampere hours is capacity of this cell. And all these cells are tested with the same device, same settings, and these are same cells. So all these cells are tested, and these are now been idle for a few days, and next my son he's gonna test this with the multimeter. They have to have almost the same voltage. This is 4.1771, so between difference can be if it less than 50 millivolts, then it's fine, you can use them. So he gonna measure those, and if these all are good, then we go to specific website and type these values in that website, and it gives our like a map how we need to arrange these for get maximum perfection balance between these cells. After that we place this bracket, and then we gonna solder those cells to each other's these connections. We're gonna use this kind of spot welder for that. Okay. So all the cells are now typed in the text document. Here you can see all those capacity values of those cells are here. So I just copy paste these and put them in this rePackr site. Here is a packer, and then there I can paste these values. All those values has a separator, and just put add. Then it asks how many cells I want to be in series, so it's 16 in this case, and 8 is parallel, and this voltage is no, it doesn't matter. And then I just push this button, and it shows all those how I need to place those cells in the battery pack. So I'm gonna print this site and then I'm going to build that battery. It shows the voltage, it shows the ampere hours and watt hours. So this is almost 1 kilowatt battery. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so the cells are now in right places, and next we're gonna weld this slice. Spot welding. Like that. So at least 4 spots in one cell is good. It's a good idea to sometimes test if these are weld in places. Welded. They stick fine.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the battery is now welded, spot welded, all those stripes. As you can see, take it here. There is almost 67 volts. Very high voltage battery and high power. These are very powerful cells and they are 8 parallel. I also check all these cells are nicely in balance, like they should be. About 4.18 or 17 is the voltage. For all of the cells. Next thing is the BMS. We need to solder these BMS wires to the cells.